Hey, Crypto Hotep here with another crypto trading video. Uh, I've been a little bit on hiatus just due to a family vacation, and so I wasn't able to record last week or record any of my investment videos. So we're back in action again. As always, these videos are for my own edification and for my trading journey. If you find them helpful, great. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment. But by any means, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence, do your own research, consult a professional before you start trading crypto or any volatile asset. Before we begin, a big shout out to our sponsor, and very blessed to say that we do have a sponsor, or Crypto Hotep has a sponsor for our crypto trading videos, and that is the one and only Coinbase. Coinbase is the exchange that I use, and for me, it has been one of the best exchanges ever. I've used them for over 4 years, and they were the first ones to teach me about crypto from their Learn to Earn program all the way, even trading on their Coinbase Pro platform, which was a separate app. And now the Coinbase app now has Coinbase Advanced. So if you guys want lower fees, lower trading fees, lower buying fees, just click that toggle in your Coinbase app on the mobile that has Advanced to it, and then you'll be greeted with your advanced platform, which is what you see right here. And with the Coinbase Advanced platform, you're able to make limit buy sell orders, obviously market buy and sell orders, stop limits as well. You can switch between if you want to buy a certain amount of crypto or a certain amount of USDC or USD, because you can play for both with such. And also with Coinbase, you are able to receive 5% APY on your USDC as well. So you can hold USD and USDC. USDC is a coin, is the USD coin that Coinbase does promote heavily as well. So it's good to see that if you have sitting money, maybe you're not in any trades and you're just sitting waiting for some good sniper entries, you can receive 5% APY on that sitting USDC. The link will be in the description, but feel free and click the link if you don't have a Coinbase account, or even if you do, because you'll be able to support the channel, support Crypto Hotep as well. With that being said, this video is going to be primarily for the link trade that I just completed. So we had a winner here, but before the winner, we did have a couple losses. So jumping in here around April 13th, and I was actually still on vacation at this time, but that was when we had that huge dip down in the market with everything that was going on with overseas, with the conflict overseas. So that's when the market dipped. Mainstream media made it think that the war was against crypto, and the whole market kind of just dumped. So at that point, I was thinking about cutting my trades that I had out for TRB, XLM, and Link. And I just, based on my rules, I did cut out XLM and TRB at a loss. So I did do that. The thing with Link I did was I cut Link and then I re-entered Link because we were at a key level. And this is what I mean. So if we go to Link here, this was around, I want to say, this was April 12th. We had that big long candle starting on April 12th, and then April 13th, we had another candle here. So I did see on this candle, I did see price stabilizing at this area, and I saw that we had a decent wick right here. So I said, you know what? This looks like a key level that can be bought here. And I did wind up putting in a buy order for Link at around $12.62. As always, I keep those, or 12.68. I'm sorry. As always, I keep those receipts. Um, I did tweet this out on the 13th. I bought back into Link at 12.68 for a short-term target of $16. I liked $16 only because of the significance, the psychological level of that, as well as the potential retest of that 200 EMA as well. So with the 200 EMA, which is this blue line, getting really close to this key level here, I thought it'd be a decent enough level to take a quick, kind of a quick short-term TP at. I could have did 14 as well. That wouldn't have been as big of a goal to hit, but 16 was the main target for me for that. Um, on April 14th, I did kind of review what I did. So as I just mentioned, we had TRB XLM out at a loss, adjusted Link, and then I also added to BNT and Jasmine as well. So those I kept. And then my explanation for lowering my target, it wasn't specifically based on the fact that I was bearish or that I turned bearish. It was simply because now we're trading below the 200 MA. My mind shift in terms of targets usually changes. So if an asset is above the 200, above the 100 MA, then I'm usually going level to level. Primarily, I'm going level to level, and I'm doing that very considerably and very generously, right? So with very optimistic views. At the same time, trading is all about money. It's about making money. So we want to be smart, and we can't go for those gusto moves if we just had a definite move down. We can't just say, oh, we'll have a definite move down and then my target is going to be this $22.54. Yeah, can that happen? It can, but no one knows that 100%. So my thought is always on the conservative level when it comes to trading. And so I said, you know what? A couple factors. We have the 200 MA, and that's getting closer to this key level of $16. $16 in itself is a psychological level as a whole number. You have this gap down that needs to be filled right here. So this entire gap right here for on this downswing with Chainlink needs to be filled. So at the very least would be $16. I foresee Chainlink at least going to around 17 or so. So 16 was a very safe bet in my with my thoughts. And just continuing here, um, I also lowered my targets for my other trades, and right now I only have three, or I have four out now, but the three that I mentioned here, Jasmine, we lowered to 0.023, BNT was 0.84, and then as I mentioned, Link was 16. So what happened is we did a market buy at 1262, which was this fantastic fill, as you can see here, almost at the bottom. And price just basically just kind of up down motion and channel movement right between 14 and 1268. And I did call this out as well in my Twitter as kind of what I thought or what I could think was going to happen with the price movement. So as you can see, I said, hey, we're going to keep going up, down, and then we'll just kind of blast off and hit 16. That's what I was thinking that's what happened. And it did. So we had price, kind of sandwiched between $12.68, $14. And then once it broke, it was kind of off to the races here. We did wick that $16 and I was out. So that triggered my sell order on Chainlink, and I'm currently out of Chainlink. That does not mean that I've stopped accumulating Chainlink, because from an investment standpoint, 12, 16, 18, even $22 for Chainlink is a bargain with all things considering. And I still consider Chainlink, the one of the legs on the three-legged stool for my crypto portfolio from an investment perspective. But all in all, we did have a loss, but we were able to make this back up here on this trade. It was around a little bit over 26% here. And if I could have done anything differently on this trade, maybe I would have gotten out a little bit quicker on this candle here. I still would have waited to this candle because we were resting on that 200 MA. And then if I would have saw the strength here kind of, come down a little bit further, then I probably would have got out a little bit sooner here. But all in all, a decent move by Chainlink, and happy to see that we did make this trade and it was a successful one. So we may have a red month on April, but that's kind of live and learn, and we can learn from the mistakes that we made on those previous trades and then look forward. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and if this was helpful at all, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and as always, happy trading.